Welcome. Before we dive into how to use Contacts Extractor AI, let's take a quick look at what this powerful and free tool actually delivers. What you're seeing on screen is a real example of the kind of detailed contact information this free app pulls directly from your email messages. It doesn't just stop at names and email addresses, it goes further, extracting job titles, phone numbers, LinkedIn profiles, cities, states, and even gender. All of this is automatically detected, extracted, and neatly organized, just like the table you see in front of you. To give you a real-world example, I personally use this tool to extract over 45,000 business contacts from emails I've received over the past 4 years. Think about that. 45,000 potential leads, connections, and opportunities that were just sitting in my inbox waiting to be unlocked. Now imagine the business potential if your inbox could be mined the same way. Whether you're using Outlook, Thunderbird, Apple Mail, or Gmail, Contacts Extractor AI makes turning years of emails into a rich, structured contact list completely effortless. Let's download and install the program. You can get the app at ai-2z.com with versions available for both Windows and Mac. It is a free program. So this is the website to download from. Just click on download and then depending on whether you are on Windows or Mac, download the appropriate file. I've already downloaded the installer, so I'm not going to download it again. Let's just install it. I'll be using the Windows version in this tutorial, but all features are identical on both platforms. Installing on Windows is simple. Just double-click the downloaded file and follow the installation wizard. The application is digitally signed with an SSL certificate, but Windows Defender may still prompt you for confirmation. That's completely normal for many Windows programs. As a matter of fact, my virus scanner was also giving me trouble despite the fact that the app is digitally signed and trusted. But that's all right. Now that it is installed, let's launch the application. The first step is to obtain an API key from semantic9.com. This is very easy, and the key is required to enable the contact extraction functionality using AI. I already have an API key that I'll be using. To add the API key to Contacts Extractor AI, from the menu, select API key, set semantic9.com. API key, paste the key into the field provided and click OK. The next step is to select the folder where your email files are stored. The program will scan all files and subfolders within that directory and begin extracting contacts from any email messages it finds. The location of this inbox folder depends on both your email client and your operating system. Note that Contacts Extractor AI can extract contacts from any email client, such as Outlook, Thunderbird, or Apple Mail, Gmail, Yahoo Mail. You'll need to locate the folder that your email client uses to store email data. If you're not sure, you can ask ChatGPT where this folder is located by default. The default location for Outlook and for Apple Mail are shown on the screen. Once you've selected your folder, you're ready to begin. Click the Start Extracting Contacts button. After 15 to 30 seconds, you'll see the emails processed and contacts extracted counters begin updating every 15 seconds, showing real-time progress. Keep in mind that each email is processed using AI, which can take a couple of seconds per message. So if you have thousands of emails, the process might take several hours. The best approach is to let the program run in the background. In my case, I left it running overnight, and it extracted over 44,000 contacts from my email archive. Don't worry about duplicates. The program automatically filters them out. If a contact appears in multiple messages, it will only be extracted once. And if you stop the extraction and resume later, the program won't start from scratch. It will continue from where it left last time. It remembers which contacts were already extracted, saving you both time and API calls. You can use the Pause Extracting button to temporarily stop the process. Pressing it again will resume extraction where you left off. At any time, you can save your extracted contacts by clicking Save Contacts to CSV File. This will generate a CSV that opens easily in Excel. There's also an option to save contacts directly into a database for developers or users who prefer structured storage. Let me show you the contacts that the app has extracted. Let me open the CSV file. Okay, here we go, period. As you can see, even LinkedIn profile and gender of the contact is extracted. So that was it. If you have any question or need help, then leave me a comment, and I'll definitely answer any question that you have.